Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lala Renee Anyway, and if you are a new subscriber, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a look. Honeys, hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Happy holidays, even though I really don't care too much for these holidays, but anyway, I still wanted to bring you all a look, okay, in case you guys wanted to slay the damn Christmas party or the virtual Christmas party. I don't know, if anybody's still quarantining, but make sure y'all stay safe if you are, going to be out and about traveling to parties and things like that. I had to come to you today to show you this bomb Christmas look that you can do, paired with this hair. Okay, all right, and you set the whole goddamn party on fire. Okay, when you step into that room, go in there with this face and this hairstyle, honey. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do this in a minute. This was some hair that I had already had, and this synthetic girl, her name is Dara. Okay, so I'm going to try to leave a link down in the description box as well so I can know where to purchase her. But you can pair with any hair that you have, you know what I mean? It's just basically the style, okay? That's it. The style is, I really like this style, and it seemed like really holiday-ish, But anyway, enough of me talking and rumbling my mouth as usual, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get on to this video, okay? Hit them thumbs up. Make sure y'all leave y'all comments down below, and let's get right to it. So my P. Louise on my flat wet and wild brush, I'm going to take that and I'm going to create my cut crease. Okay, so I'm just going to apply my Almay foundation. I had to go and get a new bottle because honey girl, sister girl, I ran out. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. kabuki brush. And I'm just going to apply that a little bit on my brush. And I'm just going to dab, 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 dab. Magic concealer, and I got the color number 17. I can see that, it may be too bright. I got the color number 17. I'm going to just highlight. To conceal with my Wet n Wild foundation stick in the color Chestnut. Contour, I'm sorry. And I want to like start on the outer parts to blend that out, because that's where it dries the fastest, and I want to blend that out into my contour. Okay, so I already added my powders, and the powder that I used to set my contour was the Maybelline Fit Me in 355 Coconut. That's what I used. So also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some blush. I'm starting to like get into this whole like blush world now, like where I like my cheeks to be like real rosy. So y'all know what time it is, right? Y'all know what time it is, right? I had this wig for quite some time. This is the Dara wig from but what I did was I just ended up recurling it with some wine curls that I put on there. And yeah, we're gonna install this bad baby together. I still gotta do some styling because let's see. Hold up, honey. I was thinking, y'all, I wanted to style, like I wanted a bang and then I wanted like a ponytail. You know what I mean? So, but anyway, let's clean off my hairline. bang-on ponytail that I said I was gonna do. I kind of just want to, oh God, it's so damn pretty. Oh my God, y'all. This is so cute. Okay, so what I wanted to do with this hair was I wanted to put it up in a ponytail, right? Oh well, I wanted to put this hair up into a pony. Okay. But I still wanted like a cute little bang piece. Let me see. Seeing that this hair can be parted that way. It'll be cute, you know what I'm saying? Like, so what I did, I just sprayed with a little bit of water so that it could, you know, so I could be able to manage it a little bit easier. So I'm just like kind of like combing it up, and some of that water is dripping on my face after I just did it. I'm just combing it up into a nice cute ponytail. Okay. Good. Alright, so it's a little bit of I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'll get it later, but we're just gonna move on to this side and just comb it up. Now we got a ponytail. Okay. Alright, so now we got a ponytail. I have to go ahead and get this little crust part off. It's just nothing but gel and makeup together. elevate the curls to make it look more defined, but I actually like it. And spray and spray my ponytail. Okay. Honestly, I could have just this look is bomb as fuck. You know, I don't even know if I needed the curling iron, honestly. This is still there, y'all. I gotta get that off. That's gonna get on my nerves. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this with some Got To Be. I'm gonna take my curling iron and I'm going to like set it right under there so it could have that nice hump, and I want it to be like that. So that's how I do my hair. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my look. I'm gonna add my mascara. I'm gonna set my face with some setting spray, and I'm gonna be back with the end of the look. Well, this is about damn near the end, right? So yes, that's it. This is like a nice cute style you can wear to a Christmas party, you know, with your glitter on, you know, you're still not overdoing it. So yes, you guys, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, that is the end of this look. I ended up pairing it with this dangle necklace and these earrings. I had it for quite some time. The necklace was a gift and the earrings was a Christmas gift. Okay, so I hope y'all like this whole get up, this whole look. Leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think of this whole look. Would you wear it to like a Christmas party or to a New Year's party? I'm going to be also filming a New Year's Eve look for y'all as well, so stay on the lookout. Okay, tell me what you think. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a look, and that's that. I'm gonna try to also find the link to this wig so that way y'all can purchase her, because homegirl looks like some human hair. Okay, just be, you know, mindful that I did revamp this wig, so I ended up adding a different type of curl pattern to her. So when you purchase her, she would not look like this. Okay, I ended up putting some bendy rollers, flexi rods in it, and doing the boiling hot water method. Okay, so the curls are going to be like a little bit more like a not as deep as these waves are. Okay. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for showing love and commenting and supporting me even when I haven't been so consistent. Thank you guys so much. All right, till next time, thanks for watching.